Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, I'm going to show you how to make my 21st edition Lego puzzle box. And if you don't know how to solve it, just go and check out my channel. I have a review about it, and I showed to solve it too. And now let's get started to make it. So, to start off, you want to take a 10 by 10 base plate. A 10 by 10 base plate. And then fill out some smooth piece in this area, like this. Yeah. And then put 2 layers of brick in another part that didn't cover with the smooth piece. Okay, so you could pause the video and make that. Okay. And then let's make this piece that can fit here and slide. Take it out. Okay, to make it, take a 2x4 bricks right here. Let me move this. A 2x4 brick right there. And 2 of this 2x6 bricks. And 2 of this 2x2 bricks. And then on top of that, just put 1 layers of plate. And then 1 layer of smooth piece. So that would fit right there. Okay. Now this piece is basically a 2x6. A 2x6 plate. And a 1x1 brick right there. And then a 1x1 smooth piece on top. And just fill out some smooth piece there. And then put it right there, in here. And then, now let's make the roof. And so, take a 6x10 and take a 2x4 brick right there and a 1x1 brick right there. And smooth piece on top and smooth piece right there. Except this part and this part. So as you can see, I didn't put some smooth piece right there. Just because I don't have much. So, yeah. You can leave some blank space if you don't have any more. It's basically just your choice. So, let's put it in. Like this. Wait, this first. Okay. Let me see if it's good. Okay, I think that's good. So, like this. Okay. Now, I guess you want to take a 2x10 plate and fill some smooth piece. Except here, leave a 1x2 plate. Not put a 1x2 plate, just leave like that. So, put it right there. And make sure it's facing like this. Okay. And now let's fill some smooth piece over here. So, like this. Make sure this don't slide. And then a 2x2 plate right there. Okay. Now let's make your treasure box. Like put your prize in it. So let's move this puzzle box away. And here you have this. So basically a 6x9, which doesn't exist. So you would make it by yourself, like mine. A 6x6 and a 2x6 and a 1x6. And then fill some smooth piece like this. Okay, here, pause the video and make that. Okay. Now, you want to take some bricks, like a 1x3 and a 1x2. Fill it right here. Here, like this. Here. Like that. So you have this. And then this. 1x5 on the bottom, which doesn't exist. So a 1x1 and a 1x4, and a 1x8 brick across like that, and a 1x6 plate, and some smooth piece on top. So put it like this. Live right there. So you have this. Now this piece will look a bit confused to make. So which basically a 1x6 brick on the bottom and a 1x8 brick across like that, and then a 2x4 brick like this, and connect it with a 2x6 plate, and then a 1x6 plate right there, and some smooth piece on top. And take this and put it like this. Okay, and I think the last one is this is a 1x2 bricks right there, and a 1x3 brick right there, a 1x2 brick, a 1x6 plate, and smooth piece like this, except right there. And then put it right here, and then just put a 1x4 smooth piece right there. Very nice treasure box. And then you could put a coin there if you want, like this. Make sure you want to put a big one so it won't fall out here or here or there. And now I think your treasure box will fit right there, but you need to fill some bricks here first. So I think basically now you need first this, okay? No, I mean this. Okay, so which basically 3 layers of bricks, but first 2 layers of 2x6 bricks right there, and then I think just some a 2x9 doesn't exist, so 2x6 right there, and a 2x3. So that will fit right here. Okay, wait. Let me take that and then put it right here. Okay, like that. And now take this piece. So a 1x6 brick, and 1x3 and a 1x2, a 1x5, and a 1x8 plate. Put it right there. So like this. And then let's fix this. So which basically I guess 3 layers of 2x10. Except right here you want to take a 2x9, which doesn't exist, make it by yourself, and then put a 1x1 right there. So that will fit right here. Make sure this will go right there. Oh, oopsie. I could put it like this if I want. And take that and like this. Oh no. Let me take this off. Okay. Put it right there. There you have a nice box like that. Now let's take your box like this. Treasure box and put it right in here. Like this. And now make sure you want to make this key. So basically a 2x8 and a 2x3 and smooth piece on top. That piece will be slide right in here. Like that. Very easy. And now you're almost done. So just put 2 layers of plates, I guess. Yeah, put 2 layers of plate right there. Do it by yourself. I'll just do it quickly by myself right now. Oh, there you go. And this right here. And like that. Now to finish off, put plates on top. Oh man, kind of hard to do. Okay, almost done. Just a bit more plate. Okay, a bit more. This will get right there, and this there, and that, and finish it off. Boom! You're done. So here's your nice Lego puzzle box. So that is how you make my 21st edition Lego puzzle box. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye.